case against suspended Osceola County Sheriff Marcos Lopez has changed their plea.
Yeah, Carol Cody entered a guilty plea in court today after reaching an agreement with statewide prosecutors, but she wasn't sentenced today. West 2's Haley Krummelholm spoke with a criminal defense attorney about why that might be. Haley?
So the specifics of the deal reached with Cody were not discussed in court today, but ultimately she did plead guilty to racketeering and conspiracy to commit racketeering. And the attorney I spoke with said the reason they may not have sentenced Cody today could be because they want to ensure that she cooperates later on. Carol Cody, a co-defendant in the alleged illegal gambling ring involving suspended Osceola County Sheriff Marcos Lopez, changed her plea Monday.
To the charges announced, how do you plead?
Guilty.
We know from the affidavit from statewide prosecutors that Cody was described by investigators as the bookkeeper, the person who maintained financial records and helped manage funds in the operation. In a hearing that only lasted about 10 minutes Monday, the judge adjudicated her guilty.
So I will adjudicate you guilty to both those charges, and we will see you in the future for sentencing.
While statewide prosecutors and Cody's attorney confirmed in court an agreement had been reached, the specifics of that agreement were never shared. The reason sentencing is being held for a later date could be for two reasons, according to criminal defense attorney Jose Rivas, who isn't involved with this case. He says one could be because they need to do a pre-sentencing investigation, which is like a report that gives a recommendation to the state.
And number two is because they need something from her. In this particular case, if they need her to cooperate or give some substantial assistance, they do not want to sentence her yet. What they want her is to do is, listen, we're going to give you a deal off the table, but we're going to set off the sentencing. And if you help us and you cooperate with us, then we'll adjust the sentencing.
Rivas said if Cody had been sentenced today, it could be harder to get her to return to court and potentially testify against her other co-defendants. Rivas says Cody's cooperation could also be used to convince those co-defendants to cooperate too.
And they're going to turn around to the other attorneys. They're going to say, hey, listen, this co-defendant, she already entered a guilty plea. She's ready to testify against your client if you don't cut a deal.
Cody declined to speak with us after the hearing tonight, as did Marcos Lopez's attorney, who was in the courtroom as well. Now, Cody is one of 5 co-defendants in this case. We are expecting another one of them, Sheldon Weatherholt, to have a hearing next week. Covering Lake County Live in Tavares, Haley Krummelholm, West 2 News.